Good evening, hockey fans, and welcome to the 81st Annual Minnesota State High School League Boys Hockey Tournament. Our fourth Class A quarterfinal features the champions of Section 6 with a record of 19-8-1. Let's welcome the Northern Lakes Lightning. Against the champions of Section 8 with a record of 13-13-2, the East Grand Forks Green Wave. Before we meet the teams, let's meet the East Grand Forks cheer team. Adriana Gregwire, Kaylee Awalski, Abby Botko, Morgan McDonald, Maya Kostad, and Ella Maselt. Now it's time to meet the Lightning. Sophomore goalie number 1, Sam Celia. Sophomore defenseman number 4, Kyler Ricola. Sophomore defenseman number 5, Derek Berg. Senior forward number 6, Finn Fogarty. Senior forward number 7, Easton Anderson. Senior forward number 8, Anthony Noyes. Senior forward number 9, Jerome Martin. Junior forward number 11, Sutton Sullivan. Sophomore defenseman number 12, Bodie Nybakken. Senior defenseman number 13, Preston Burness. Junior forward number 14, Jacob Peterson. Sophomore forward number 16, Josiah Ryer. Junior defenseman number 19, Leighton Cable. Sophomore forward number 23, Landon Carty. Senior forward number 24, Drew Paulbeck. Senior defenseman number 25, Wyatt Balmer. Sophomore forward number 26, Griffin Hanna. Sophomore defenseman number 27, Grant Berche. Sophomore forward number 29, Parker Fulton. And junior goalie number 31, Hunter Moreland. The assistant coach is Tom Klein. Head coach, Mike Randolph. Now let's meet the Green Wave. Sophomore goalie number 1, Noah Shinley. Senior defenseman number 2, Cole Beese. Junior defenseman number 4, Bodie Schmaltz. Junior forward number 6, Tucker Lovejoy. Senior forward number 7, Hunter Barnson. Senior forward number 8, Jordan Nowashki. Senior forward number 9, Jace Van Elps. Junior forward number 10, Braden Overgaard. Senior defenseman number 11, Judd Pesch. Junior forward number 12, Wyatt Courts. Junior forward number 14, Nolan Mellibrook. Senior forward number 15, Cooper Hills. Senior forward number 16, Noah Freeze. Sophomore forward number 17, Jace Panzer. Junior defenseman number 18, Cole Schmiedeberg. Junior forward number 19, Jake Chupka. Junior forward number 20, Weston Bratrud. Sophomore defenseman number 25, Ryan Clausen. Senior defenseman number 27, Nick Corbett. And sophomore goalie number 30, Jay Woodfood. The assistant coaches are Colton Sanderson and Jake Yusuf Dinger, and head coach is Tyler Palmasino. Here tonight's game officials on the lines: Cole Hansen, Gavin Jocelyn. Your referees are Nick Bradshaw and Mike Voorhees.